Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine format feature number 3, Align and Indent for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Format and hover over Align and Indent, I can see that the same alignment options that are available in the main Google toolbar also appear in this submenu. Since left alignment is the default for Google Docs, I'm going to demonstrate what center alignment, right alignment, and justified alignment look like within this tutorial. When I click on center alignment, my text appears centered within the Google Doc. When I click on right alignment, my text moves to the right side of the page. Finally, when I click on justified, my text is spaced out so that each line would be the same length within the Google Doc. Under the alignment options are the indent options. The first one is increase indent. This option is equivalent to pressing tab on the keyboard. The second option is decrease indent. This option is equivalent to using the backspace key on a keyboard. Finally, we have indentation options. When I click on this selection, the menu appears here. In this menu, I can change how much my indentation will be within my Google Doc. I can move it a certain amount of inches for the left or the right. I can also include special indentation options, specifically first line indentation or hanging indentation. Depending on the project you are working on within Google Docs, this can be useful. Please remember, any changes that are made must be saved by clicking the blue Apply button. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.